la ekunenkulumo yami khona regarding udaba mhlamba abanye baliqala kumhla ka15 kiwe Moses Mabhida. Let me give a bit of a clarification what I was saying there. One akaze akukho la engilwa khona noNxamalala. Akukho futhi like kuthiwe khona kuphucwa uNxamalala iorganization kushuthi sekukhona omunye okhona no. Akukho futhi like kuthiwa khona uNxamalala akasesiyo president we-MK. And you can hear from all corners, even those that are calling, befuna more clarity because mhlambe bayayithola baphinde bashiye kancane, but most of the people who are voicing out imbono yabo babonakala bengakaze belalele at all. There are people ke abane tendency yokuthi ezwe inkulumo umuntu ethi bese ngafuna ukuyilalelela yena ukuthi thini and iqonda ukuthini. Okay, again clarify la. One, I'm behind uNxamalala 101%, not even 100% if there's such a thing. And number two, a reason for saying the organization ayisenzi lokho okuyikhona kuvunyelwene ngakho ilidwa uNxamalala ekhanda hayi ukuthi akwenziwa uNxamalala. uNxamalala kumphunyukile because abantu abaseduze kwakhe, the so-called office, in as much as there's no office per se, the very same people abanyove ngesikhathi ephethe as a president abamfake ehlathini, so to say, in most of the things la ayithola khona nama cases khona or kunama litigations amaningi khona, it's because of the very same people. Sithi lapha ya akube uyena uNxamalala owenza izinto ngobuso bakhe qobo, kungabi incwadi esendiyo kuthiwa it was signed by obaba, kungabi amagama afika nabantu as third parties saying uthe ubaba, because lokho has led us into deep angazi ngizoyibiza ngani. Ayikho into eyaziwa ngayo iorganization ye-MK ngaphandle kokuba seyinkantolo. Ever since kwa khangasula the two-thirds majority, everyone uye wafaka imali zakhe, wonke umuntu abalalanga, abanye the lost business beqinisekisa ukuthi uyahlala lo government ukuze izinto zenzeke ngendlela, abanye bashiya imisebenzi yabo begijima ukuthi befuna uqinisekisa ukuthi organization ibarat, abanye even lost their relationships because ayikho enye into abeseyikhuluma ekhaya because everyone ubelifuna ushintsho, waqinisekisa ukuthi i-organization iyahamba iyovota futhi iba kwizinga ekulona. Well, unfortunately kwenzeke ezinye zezinto engeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngiyichaze la. So we are saying, or we were saying, because at least some of those things are happening after ukhulumisana. Well, angeke ngichaze much. The organization Umkhonto Wesizwe Party ufonywe njenge constitutional monarchy. Go and search what is constitutional monarchy, where uNxamalala himself umageni ukuthi niphikisana nokusho yithi that you don't know as our faces mhlambe ubuvela uNxamalala himself ubekusho kini ukuthi iorganization uma ngabe uhulumeni ozobusa uholwe Umkhonto Wesizwe Party uphatha kuzoqinisekisa ukuthi iparliament report somewhere, and bebengeke baqhamuke sebese parliament labo bantu already they were there la ekhulunywa khona ngobukhosi, ubukhosi obuhlukene ngezigaba zabo. Most of ubukhosi ke sikhuluma ngabo obunye abrecognizewe from other provinces, bukhona obrecognizewe but khona obungarecognizewe from other provinces. As a result bonke bagcine beba umbimbi ngaphansi kobukhosi bakaZulu Natal bekhuluma language eyodwa. Sithi ake siqhubeke siphushe le agenda esikhuluma ngakuthi okubalekile for now is to make sure ukuthi siyafika ku government, then the rest sizokushintsha, and kunama draft even way before that. Amalungelo ke uma ngabe ukwi constitutional monarchy amalungelo amanye akhona abalokhona ukuthi you hold formal powers okwazi ukuthi udissolve iparliament uma ngabe ingasenzi ngendlela, because that's where you report. The royal upper house isinamandla because njoba bekhona parliament, whatever they say goes, whatever the president say goes. Okunye ongale kwalokho ukuthi lo muntu se accountable kubani makwenzakalani. That's why sinenkinga ekhona kuma political organizations, yet the very same people who are there, they are representing ubukhosi nama subjects wabo bekhuluma izwi lokolanda umhlaba wabanikazi bomhlaba. And also constitutional monarchy, there's royal assent to ama legislatures. Uzoyibuza umbuzo wodwa ke wena ongekho eduze nobukhosi noma wena ongekho eduze ka government ukuthi why there's a guard of honor. I guard of honor ile isishamthetho esivula kuqala isilo before sizivulwe uhulumeni, because that isuke acknowledge ukuthi kahle kahle obani abanikazi bento ekhulunywa ngayo. So we see that a lot in KZN, and maybe in other provinces that doesn't happen. Njalo makuzohlala ishaya umthetho uma ngabe seqedile uhulumeni konke akwenzayo, there's a guard of honor nokuvulwa kweparlamente by ingonyama ukuze okunye okulandela, because kahle kahle lo hulumeni ubukhosi abukwazi ukuvela kangako kuma politics, but kunabantu abasuke bethunyiwe ukuthi bayoba i-voice of the voiceless. So ukufonywa kwe-organization ngingabala ezinye zezinto eziningi khona. Ukufonywa kwe-organization ubulandela leyo mgomo ukuthi isisiphunyukile into esikhuluma ngayo, and ngebhadi even kuma political classes they abana background yokuthi kahle kahle why are they even there abantu abakhuluma khona. Kuya ngokuthi nje ube activist waba namandla waba nabantu abakufavorayo wa-pusha whatever bukade ukupusha and wakwazi ukungena kuma position are critical up until you get to the actual work usu government ke manje, then you get to see ama politics wakhona. Zibuza into eyodwa ukuthi why our government injected so many billions in our rural and township development, but njengamanje abantu bakithi bona balwela ukuthi akube ibona abahamba bayobhalisela ukuthi barana ama spaza shops, bane property labantu banamalungelo. Ugovernment yena, our own government law orulayo uthe there's budget for our people, but then again sithola sinenkinga yokuthi fanele sibangisane nabantu bokuhamba in our own land. Mhlambe enye into sinenkinga yokuthi people abahlala emalokishini, people abahlala emaflatini or abahlala emadolobheni, they think they are far better than abantu basemakhaya. Whenever you speak language yeland, they really don't understand the language yeland. Because bona vele akanalo ngisho iklabishi ku backyard yakhe, akayazi value yokutshala, wazi ukuthi yena imali yakhe may injecte Woolies or wherever la akufanele abonale khona ukuthi ushop ukudla ku grade A angakwazi nokuthi kusengwephi, then useyibona ukuthi use right lapho. What about omama bethu abane market abatshala emakhaya? Sineyitole nama brand amakhulu next to our villages la uthola khona bakhona Spar, bakhona Shoprite, ubani supply ukudla there. It's the very same communities ekufanele ngabathola lokho hayi ukudla kusuke kuphume ngaphandle. Just like yesterday, I'll say yesterday, uGeneral Mkhwanazi unibonise nonke ubhontshisi ophume eBrazil ufika usufike nama drugs la. Ziningi izinto that are not necessary for us ukuthi iphume zize zilandwe ngaphandle, ezinye iphuma from our own province or from our own country, zihambe ziye ngaphandle ibuye sesidayiselwe thina sezi something else abangenazo even from kulawo mazwe la. Khona amazwe angenawo ngisho umhlaba at all, but they are wealthy nga very same agriculture. When we talk agribusiness, sinenkinga yokuthi abantu they think it's just ukutshala nokufuya inkomo noma nenkukhu or something. Agribusiness goes way beyond that, and that's why we should be benefiting as abanikazi beland. Minerals ethu sibulawela wona, minerals ethu, they are flooding people in our own country. They are confusing us, they are confusing the system, they are confusing everyone because of what we have tina as natives of this country and natives in Africa. zibuze nanokuthi why i-African Natives Congress yafanele ishintshe to African National Congress, Inkatha Natives Party yafanele ishintshe to Inkatha Freedom Party and others. Laba bantu aba-infiltrator our own organizations ekufanele ayothi voice out our things. Ibona laba bafaka this whole confusion kubantu ukuthi noma usuthi izinto uyazilungisa baba confuse babaqede, because abanye bethu abasuke bengathi bayalida phambili already bona batargetwa bese kufika isetshenzwa ngabo. I'll go to into engimentionile la ukuthi yes, the application esiloja, but we are saying because that's the language now our very same MK understand that, because ever since since day one ibhizi nama court cases. Yes, okunye kubalekile ukuthi bakwenze, but into yokuqala kwakufanele ngabe iyenziwa is to change the constitution. Kukhulunywa ngamabhili, kukhulunywa ngayo yonke into, nibhizi nidlalele emthethweni the very same mthetho esithe yoshintsha. Abantu abangenile eParliament abanye bafike ba okay because bayahola manje. Let alone ukuthi obani abangenile eParliament sebengenileke. Why niqale phansi niphula umthetho? Because umthetho you had 24 hours to change ama list, naphinde nano 3 months to change ama list. Manje akekho umuntu ozongena eParliament between now and end of June. Kunabantu like right now in the very same organization abasekhalele organization abakhankasa ngalama positions. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokufonelwa abantu beqale phansi ukuthi mntwana safaka imali zethu, we verified ukuthi ba legit ina abobani nabobani. Uma ngabe sigijimisa iMK part serious investors, abantu bebe print ama t-shirts for the organization, abantu bebe benza the branding to make sure the organization yenza, abantu bebe keep imoto zabo, abantu bebe accommodate abantu bebe khokhela ma keys, sounds and everything ukuqinisekisa ukuthi organization iyaphusha yonke into. Abantu were printing like abantu i-organization iprovile ukuthi abantu bayaqasheka manje, because ngesikhathi kuphushwa ama campaigns for iMK party abantu from the grassroots, people could sell from the street, people could do things, bekwazi ukuphila bekwazi ukulala bedlile, could sell food from ama campaigns. Abantu ibingekho ingane ebilala ihlwembu, because abantu they remembered ukuthi ubuntu busho ukuthini, athengele umakhelwane ukudla, enze yonke into out of the goodwill. Ubuntu ebesivele sinakho before trading. We used to trade into ngento, we used to trade umuntu into angenayo ngunika inkomo unginike isaka la bhontshisi. Like sikubonile lokho ku materialize kakhulu ngesikhathi campaign organization. Abantu benikelela amabhasi benza yonke into. Well, kunabantu ababenza izethembiso nalabo bantu. Uma ingasamiteki yaqala phansi inkinga. One, kunabantu ebebe decampaign at the very same organization. Today basekhaleni, baseqhulwini le organization. What about those abasuke nayo phansi ngitshela for almost 5 months, 6 months, cause bayaze ngo December 16 bone organization up until kushama elections. They were giving their all. And we are not saying wonke umuntu bezothola umsebenzi, but the very same people abayithole bengena ema position nasebakhokhela ibona bathema kungena bona bavala iminyango for the very same people abababeke khona. Nginemqhingi emngaka mina yoma proof of payments abantu bekhokha we-organization, monies that were not declared ezidliwa ama individuals. Nginemqhingi mina ye proof of ama payments enziwa abantu to the very same people that are very close to uNcamalala abafika ngegama elithe ubabuthe. As long as umuntu esethola isithombe, umuntu ofikile wafika ethi ufuna ukubona ubaba, whether ukhuluma into ekufanele ngabe iqediyo implementwa isizwe. Remember one thing, uNcamalala is the political head. uNcamalala ngokwesintu ekhaya uyinsizwa uyinsizwa eyibutho lesizwe sakaNcamalala. uNcamalala ubaba womndeni wakhe, but uNcamalala kanawo umhlaba. Uma sekufika the investors azothi azobona ubaba, yes angene ngobaba, but uma ngabe ubaba esebiza abantu abaseduze kwakhe uthi sibanibani ngithathele nawo ama numbers, make sure ukuthi laba abantu kuyenza follow up ukubona. One, laba abantu abafikile as investors in our country and in our provinces beze kubaba, bafike bafika beclear ukuthi benze njani, bafika with their business plans, baneimali zabo and everything. Kuthi laba abantu la abadlala ngomsebenzi of which ngabe sina over 200 million, 200,000 wabantu already abangena emsebenzini. Uma ngibala abantu abebefuna ukinvesta kuma factories, abantu abafuna ukuvuselela ama factories asewile, abantu abebefuna ukinvesta la koma hub, abantu abebefuna ukinvesta emhlabeni yasemakhosini emakhaya, abantu abebefuna ukinvesta ko refinery business, abantu abavusa ama garage njengoba ewile, abantu abakufanele ngabe benze njani. Those people, they paid to see ubaba, to get a picture with ubaba. They paid to gain access to ubaba. What happened after that? Laba bantu abathe behlele eduze kababa, they followed those people and kept on promising them. Abanye benze ngathi bekhulumile, here's the building, ahamba yoshutha kuyona, here's the building, try you can get this building. Angena ngisho access kuyona leyo nto, Dube Trade Port, other buildings. Kunabantu abayibulale iorganization ingakafiki indawo. So the reason why we were saying ayinqamalala inyama ilahlekile, kunabantu again njengoba kukhankasela umhla ka15 abaqale phansi with those shenanigans. They are pushing so much that uManyi, I'll make an example ngoManyi again. uManyi ukwazi ukukhuluma ngokuthi there's umsebenzi wabantu abawu10 ukuvala those portfolios, ama members ane litigation in court. The very same members ubabathumele uBarnabas ukuthi akayo negotiator ukuthi lezo ingane ibuyele parliament. The very same members athe uma ngabe befika oduduzile bethi ubabuthe abaxoshwe laba abawu18 abaxoshwayo kwanezidore enkulu engaka. Lekenge ewu18 wabuyela umjadu yedwa, wabuza ubabuthi ubani uthexoshana usibanibani, athi usihle mayethi hayi odudu bafike bangitshela banginika list of the people that I must kufanele bephumile ngesikhathi sase chief whip, only to find ukuthi baba kwaleyo ndaka yazi fine selenzakela iqala babuyela bayo negotiate udaba labo every day. Fanele ngiphendule oma bathi abasaphenduli bagcwele inkala abantu bayaxoshwa bayakhishwa endlini public works, but there are no ama notices okubakhipha ngokusemthethweni. And uyazi ukuthi iParliament lithola linenkinga ye organization whereby khona eParliament, ngikhuluma National Assembly, not like the provincial legislature noma nayi notakulayo elixakile khona, bayithole kufanele bephakathi nendawo phakathi kwama members asebenzayo in Parliament, a deploy organization, the very same organization ekufanele ingabe imela abantu. Kunabantu who have tried to commit suicide here, kunabantu asebe I don't know, angwazi nokuthi ngize ngichaza. Abantu bayeza ngoba bayithanda iorganization, bayeza with the hope ukuthi there will be change ngelinye ilanga. For the last time they are betting kulokho ukuthi mhlambe uvo labo, if they can get a chance to see ubaba eduze, mhlambe kunezinto engafika endlebeni zakhe zenza umehluko. But that have isikwenziwe that a number of times. Sometimes abantu bafika enkandla bejikiswe izingane egcekeni because ziyawe ukuthi who's bringing what, yini ezongisiza mina manje, yini engizocapitalize kuyo. The very same thing ithi ngaka implement azigijime zotshela abantu abarong, uyobabona isigijima everywhere. Into ekufanele ngabe isayo implementwa umuntu okuyena obekele one responsibility yokwenza lokho. Like kukayiphethe asazi senze njani. Just yesterday kade o bishop uthi uTsekedi nabo Tebe bawine icase yabo okay batholile interdict because it's not a final order yet. Bayitholile ukuthi ababuyele emsebenzini. Like if organization imela abantu angikhulumela uTsekedi ngoba ukuthiwa ba special or whatever, the same thing njengamanje okuphumi okuthiwa umama uMary in Mpumalanga where uadvocate uMkhwebane is deployed, kuthiwa icase uyiwinile iorganization did not isa appeal that decision, that judgment by inkantolo. Like mangaki ama cases that we have in court, why are we even there? Imuphi kanti lo mthetho nithi niyoshintsha ofike. You can't say uNqamalala we defended him so much that umgilichi kwanamhlanje uphansi because ubekade phambili umdidiyelwa amabutho. The very same gilichi umndeni wakho okhohliwe namhlanje. Fanele ngiphinde ngibone ukuthi umndeni wami gilichi udla ukhisimuzi uthathaphi. Ngiqale phansi ngibuyele komakhanya. Nabo makhanya njengamanje bagijima kwi National High Command bakhohliwe. It's surprising with the very same people who are supposed to be defending abantu ababahola abantu bayibheka bona bodwa ngaleso sikhathi ngoba sengenile ngonyawo. It's okay. Ukhohli ukuthi why are you even there in the first place? Why ufike kanjani in the first place? Yes, some people maneuvered indlela zabo bafika la bafika khona ngorongi, but why kuzothi sengenile nikhahlele icapha for abanye abantu? Laba abantu that ebenshizela nabo even on the ground, kanhle organization isimele bani? The very same organization ekhiphela the likes of Ombisane and others ama invitation ukuthi beze kwi celebration organization, and tickets are selling for 2 million ukuzokwazi ukuhlale eduze kababa, and uma uthengela leyo ticket kwi suite, then you'll also have a dinner where you'll share a table with ubaba. What about the people ebebegijima on the ground no baba? Today kuneyindonga ezinkulu engaka sekufanele the hawkers on the streets namhlanje the very same organization thina singakaze sivale the borders ama rights ukuthi organization ikwazi ukugijima ngawo isikwazi ukufaka imncele ifake lama hawkers abantu bethu who are selling on the streets, the very ama vendors who are selling ikhipha lezithengiselwa abantu shothi umuntu ongathengisanga ngakubo equality sizocheckwa yibo today ibona sebevala iminyango njengobani. I-organization kwakufanele ngabe the minute i-brand isebenza kwakufanele ngabe iyalokho yonke leyo mnyango ngokwama rights elokho ngokwama rights organization, but ayikazi izilokho. Ubani lo smart enough to have indonga for our very same people that thina esibheka ukuthi bathola isinkwa kusona? Kanti imiphi lemgomo emisha esifika thina esingayazi esingavumelananga ngayo? Yes, asisho ukuthi akubeka iphethe, but ngesikhathi kufanele kwasizwa abantu koyitenga kotho ngathi mangabe kufika ikhukhula bekusebenza the very same people abangabhekanga ukuthi fanele ngibheke ukuthi kuyiquality bakhiphe emaphaketheni abo kugcina bethatha their own groceries benza sure ukuthi le yamndeni iyaphila iyaphekelwa iyagqoka. Abantu bekhokhela amaVaterkan befuna uqinisekisa ukuthi abantu bayahamba. Abantu bethatha amagrosa abo bahambe bayobheka ukuthi izalukazi mazibe ko line beziyakwazi ukhola. Their families alahlekelwe ngokujoyina lo mkhonto wesizwe. Even members are on the ground today. The very same leadership is nowhere to be found to check those families. Ngabe angiyazi umsebenzi wami, ngabe ngiyazi responsibility yami if I allow that to happen. Luckily things are happening already as promised ubaba mangabe khulunywa after my eclipse. We will be seeing at least plus or minus 7 of ama members ababonakala kuma key structures bese bebonakala bese qhulwini besuka kuma position abagxamalaze kuwona. I hope kuzokwenzeka as promised. We have up until Wednesday to see that, but there are other things imqathango esibekelene yona that we need to see it bring about change. There's other point that I need to clarify to our beloved people. If we are saying ANC in our province, we are saying EFF, we are saying NFP, iyahlangana nomkhonto wesizwe party bese bethu abantu asifune lutho nento to do with uRamaphosa. uRamaphosa doesn't have an organization. uRamaphosa is not ANC. uRamaphosa is not the founder of ANC. He's just a deployee, someone who was voted by abantu abanamalungelo okuvota abakwipolitiki. Now if you are saying iANC kaRamaphosa in this province, kule province ABC understand that mandate kufanele ngabe iphethe the provincial leadership of ANC. Uma kuhlala phansi khulunywa it's black on black esikhuluma ngawo olwayo like here. Do you even understand ukuthi nibhekene nani? So that says a lot about you. Khona abawesika bathi ngesihlangane neEFF kanti uma ngabe kuthiwa iMK eParliament ikhona ihleli neEFF namasitha u2 eEFF. Why are you saying ngenze college niyenze coalition with umkhonto wesizwe party? Already 39 amasithi MK in parliament. Uma sithi 40 ngobans, it means 40 senga uhulumeni lapho usengafanele aqale phansi noma even ukhetho. Uma sithi 40 but kukhulunyiwe already abantu bafanele kuhlanganiswe lo uhulumeni, but kuma abantu abangazi lutho nanga ukuthi kahle into esibhekene naye yani. Do you even understand ukuthi what is this thing that you are fighting? You don't understand. kusho ukuthi thina as not just only South African, black South Africans, ibona kuphela abangahlangene. Other countries ahlangene, other nations ahlangene. But what is your problem as our country? You are good to say umuntu uthengiwe to do 1 2 3. You mean to say mina the very same person oboshela ukuthi kade hambe yolelwa abantu bakithi abamnyama ababoshwe yibhunu ukuze siboshwe because lawo mabhunu abengenamandla kuthina ukuthi police station yase Point ikwazi ukusibopha. I can send you that application your vacator order yokuthi vacate that building. That application it's addressed to myself. It's addressed to amasosha omkhonto wesizwe ebengihamba nawo. It's addressed to police station yase Point. It's addressed to the minister yamaphoyisa. Those are respondents to that application yale building. Ebese ihuba abafika amaphoyisa athi kithi ayifuni information kuphela. They are working with our information. Njengoba busy bebopha umkhwanazi. Cause bafuna that information kuphela cause thina sesiyaboshwa futhi asinali ilungelo bahamba bethi bayofuna ama warrants of arrest so that they will deal with those things abalwa ngazo kuphi sise building esemlonyeni ekhaleni le terminal le phumela khona zonke lezi zinto ade bebenefita ngazo la eThekwini. The very same hotel elake lavala livalelwa ama drugs, the very same hotel abathema besikipha kwe building sabuya lawo ma drugs esephumile in those rooms besikade sihleli siwagadini. Zibuza ukuthi why so many police? Status nama resources but kwaphuma inqwaba yabantu yahamba yayobopha mina. Yini lengake bese nginyathelele labani lelikhona elingaka. Njoba ngumuntu wasifazane ngisho ngangithumela iphoyisa elilodwa lesifazane elingafika lingiqhobe ngempama usho ukuthi ngathiwa ngilwela lelo phoyisa mina ngedwa nje. Awuzibuzi ngani why so many state resources aphuma because aphumele mina ngedwa. Well, the other time amasosha agcine seya wonke eseyoboshwa nakhona, and those people akushongo other people, our very same members of this region. Ibona babefonela ama members bethi phumani lapho because banezingane nabe bezilapha emabhasini besikuwona. Bathi phumani lapho nizodutshulwa nizobulalwa kusuka iNIU SIU bagijima ngoMaritzburg phumani nizobulawa. The very same members of the very same organization engithi Msholozi akabuke labo bantu ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ibona abakwazi ukuthi istate because bese kuyilama bhunu against the state which is myself amasosha uhulumeni through iPoint police station and minister of police kwasuka idistrict egameni lika Msholozi athi uzuma usethe ngithi Msholozi phumela obala ungangeni einkingeni zegama labantu abahambe bawusebenza igama lakho ungekho even aware of that. Kunabantu namhlanje abafuna imali zabo ezingenile with the hope yokuthi izosiza abahlwembu, with the hope yokuthi izophakela laba bantu abagada unqamalala egatini lamasosha agada unqamalala egatini, with the hope yokuthi le izoshintsha impilo zabantu abaningi, but they did not achieve that. I'll ask people to post those things la in front of you because it's like shooting ngikhulumela abantu mina ngiyahlanya ekhanda bekho. There are so many after those clips and we posted. There are so many ama proof of payments, ama cases izinto engenele that people are ignoring ezenzeka yonke indawo in this organization esikhuluma ngayo. I'll go back to this case critically now wonke. Ngifuna umuntu ohlakaniphila hamba wehluzela lenkulumo ngizovala ngayo because ngiyavala like right now. Angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu because ngiyabona ukuthi abantu bane problem if ukhuluma kubo more than 10 minutes already abakuzwa. Ngizovala ngenkulumo ngenzi example esimple. Nxamalala unabantu today aba fundraiser left right and center, but ba declare leyo mali yashonaphi because you don't know ukuthi shonaphi khona ngisho ama accounts a personal abawafakayo kuma post abakhiphayo a personal or Capitec account ama individuals. I'll talk about afike acela ihotela to ukubamitha halfway. bacela mahala i-venue, bacele mahala ukudla, bacela ama-comrades a-contribute for i-event ukuthi bekhona, bacela ama-comrades to buy the seats, bacela ama-comrades to buy material, the branding, market the event, the special gala dinners. La asezovimbela laba abantu abanga-afford manje. Sekufanele kuzomntakabani ukuze ama-packet ama-individuals acebe. Ngizobuyela kwi-example Nxamalala engizokhuluma ngayo. Ethi I'm talking to abantu bakaNxamalala specifically who are saying I'm attacking uNxamalala because I'm protecting uNxamalala. Bathi phumani kwi-building enikuyona. Afika uZuma akekho umuntu ongambonanga. uZuma ethi uyangi-arresta kwi-police station angayazi ukuthi eyakephi. Ubekade sebenza egate-ini kaZuma uzalo kaNxamalala. Obutzo umkhongo wami omkhulu bayakwazi lokho. Ubutzo Zuma. Uma befike bezobopha lo Zuma akekho umuntu ongambona ngathi ngizoboshwa e-police station yase Point. Yipi police station yase Point 4 akasho ukuthi yase Point i-police station because ngimfundisa ama-court documents. I can't tell me ukuthi akafunde ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngeke azakwazi ukufunda those documents. Already lelo cala sekwele state because there was an unlawful arrest. Emangalela bani, emangalela amaphoyisa, emangalela state, the Minister of Police. Let alone ukuthi the very same court papers, yena minister police station was the third respondent and the minister was the fourth respondent. Zibuze ukuthi why. Number 2, uyafika ke uZuma uyangicaphuna uyangibopha. The rest ngenze ngikuchaze. That time ezongibopha uZuma ngizo ufika ungubane ke that time okuyena acting master wase Point. Uma befika bazobopha ku very same building yogogo abanjani abekade beluswa ilamabhunu. Lamabhunu angibhalela incwadi athi sesihlulekile ayilethe office lami. Sesihlulekile ukubopha amaphoyisa not doing anything. As a result we are sending incwadi babe beyiletha leyo ncwadi ebhala abameli babo bethi responde within insuku engaka kuleyo ncwadi leyo or else they will lodge ama court papers. Kusuke the very same office. Leli office nama MK members here eThekwini. Elihlulekile ukuthi lilanda amasosha because awasasakhambi to into ababafaki yona ehlathini kufanele bayenze kuthiwa amaphoyisa amasosha asenza umsebenzi wami. Ongesi umsebenzi wami okumsebenzi waseNdlunkulu kade kunomcimbi eNdlunkulu on Friday akekho umuntu ongawazi ukuthi amasosha amatoyito ingonyama yawalocha kwenze njani. I'll send you the clips at that event so that you'll understand better because uyabona ukukhuluma komuntu ongayazi impi abhekene nayo. Kubo nje it's about power, it's about ikhansela. Ikhansela is nothing to what isibhekene nayo. Ikhansela is system esikhandelwe ukuthi for 5 years lama terms eniwahubhayo ka 5 years awok distractor nina against ubuholi obuhleli for lifetime obusebenza ngamakhosi endaweni. Abantu abafunda amakhosi because they don't understand kwenzakalani emakhosini. But uma sebengenelele izinkinga sebexayelwe inkinga bayakhumbula ukuthi inkosi uyena kufanele abheke subject. The very same people ababadidisayo if sebefuna ama consent for development for imall for ama minerals for anything else edinga ukuthi bayithinte emhlabeni othinta leso sizwe itholakala kulama course that you undermine. The very same people angeke uzukwazi mawuhlala eScomplus, angeke uzukwazi mawuhleli eBarracks, ngeke uzukwazi mawuhleli eflatini, ngeke uzukwazi mawuhleli emqashweni lokho engikhuluma ngakho because you don't own anything. You don't own a property, you don't own a land or a piece of land ekufanele uyisebenzisile ikwazi ukukuphilisa wena ithukuthuku zakho. Ngeke uzuyi-understand ilanguage engikhulumayo. You'll understand ilanguage la uzolinda khona ikhansela likutshela ukuthi transform izofika ugesi uzokhanya nini. But again, those who understand the language engikhuluma ba understand ukuthi imbe ebhekene nayo yini. Bengiku stories sokuboshwa kwethu. Uma sasiboshiwe ke namasosha siqiniwe because khona bakwazi ukugiya ngokuthi saboshwa. Umuntu akazi nokuthi siboshelweni. Siboshelwe thina the foreigners ahlele emhlabeni wethu akhiqiza ama-ID nama-passports ashadisa abantu without documents ay fake. The very same buildings, if you check our clips, the very same buildings eswahambela sinabantu thina abenza ama drugs, abenza money laundering. Instead they didn't even look at those things. Bagijima bazobopha thina causing distraction baqede bayakhipha labo bathi bayikhipha lezo zinto. zikhona ngoba ziyi-evidence. Abanye bahleli because ba-protectiwe, good for us. Ezinye zezinto siyayibona thina sibhizi siyamaka kwi-profile yethu ukuthi yes uMkhwanazi noNtuli bayakwenza lokho abakwazi ukufinyelela khona, but kukhulu okungale kwakhona. Sibe nezingane thina here in KZN and other provinces ezifile zibulawa izinto, not laba bantu bokufika base-Africa banezono zabo, but nibuka aniyazi into enibhekene nayo ukuthi akusiyo yodwa into enibhekene nayo. That's why I had to tell you about umhlangano ocelwa base-Ethiopia with iNdlunkulu yakaZulu, ngoba ugovernment wethu uthi abahambe bayobhalisa ama-permits. Khumbula ukuthi ngitheni kuwena ngama billions that were injected to rescue you. The very same people abafuna ukuzofaka izitolo bona in the very same townships laba abangasanikile lawo ma billions, you'll see about Pick n Pay, Home Affairs or Home Choice, you'll see even or Mr Price Home or those outlets the retail business ekuyiyona ezoba nkulu in our townships, causing it instruction sizobulalana sodwa. Abelungu abamhlophe and those colonizers ave be smart in their business. Abafuna ukuthintana negazi leni nizochithelana lodwa igazi nina ninodwa. And if it's not ANC, IFP, EFF, whatever, it's black on black. If it's not that, but kuzoba ukudla kusinqumayo cause sibhizi silwela izinto ezingasiyisa indawo, asikwazi nokulela our own food security icontrol yithi. Our agribusiness chain ayikwazi ukucontrolwa yithi. Kunezinto engena behind our backs ayikwazi ukucontrolwa yithi. Angifuni ukulahleka kakhulu endabeni yami ebengiza nayo engifuna niye fakele ibuku. Sizoboshwa nalamasosha asemthethweni, by the way, akusibo sagila sami labaya. The very same Sholozi umengenile kuhulumeni